Um, if it breaks that, you're gonna get a nice push. So
Uh-huh.
I keep them out on the list.
By the way, we are live
Uh,
again, and we go in three, two, one, and we are on. All right. Okay.
okay.
Right.
So Oxy, I'm same thing. I'm just mm, the ATR is $1.50. Um, you might get a good push. You got some resistance. You got some moving averages that come into play. The 90 MA and the 50 right above it. So you might get a push out of it, but it's Friday, so you got to be careful on that one. V, I'm really not interested in V. I just don't like the wicks that it had. Like it shoots up and gives everything back. So in the last couple of days, so I mean, I'm not really a fan of that.
Uh-huh.
And you're near the highs of the day.
Mm-hmm.
The ATR on it's $4.20, which is good, but I mean, you just got to be careful. And if you look over the last couple of days, it's really struggled to move up. So you got to be careful on that. MRIN. MRIN's been on a downtrend for like, I don't know, the whole month.
Mm-hmm.
It's a fairly, in the penny stock world, 875 is a big resistance. Sorry, yeah, 875 is a big resistance. It's just a number that, these stocks always kind of jump around at, and usually they're target levels for lower price stocks. So, I mean, it's been falling quite a bit. The ATR is about $3.30. If it breaks to the downside, this looks pretty interesting. I might take it if it breaks to the downside. Let's go CVX. It's $2.30 is the ATR. It filled the gap from a few days ago. It bounced off the 200-day MA, filled the gap. Looks like it's about to. Just a second. Habibi. I'll do that. It filled the gap already.
Uh-huh.
You got some resistance at $100 is always a resistance.
Mm-hmm.
So you're about 7% from that. I mean, if you're gonna take it, you can take it long. If it breaks and partial out at 100, you can see that 2 days ago it already hit 130 cents or 40 cents. Yesterday, it didn't even make it to 100. But anyways, yeah, it looks like a decent long, but you got a lot of resistance. You're bouncing off the bottom of a broadening formation, so. Riot's a crypto play, right?
Mm-hmm. It's related to Kathy Wood. I don't know what the fuck did she say. She said the other day with Elon Musk and Jack, the Twitter guy. But the shit is hot again. I don't know what's going on. I really don't know. I haven't read the news, but I know they were onto something.
You gotta be careful. This is a decent long, actually. I mean, you got some daily resistance around, $34. So, and that's a long way. The ATR is $2. Yeah, this one seems like a decent long. I'll keep that on watch. You got to be careful. There's a gap there, so eventually that gap's gonna get filled. But it doesn't mean today or this week. Just gotta keep that in mind. DVN. Let's see this here. DVN. Same thing. Got the resistance above. So here's the thing. All these plays look great. If you're looking just simply at a 212 or 312 or whatever. But you're on Friday. Friday is in my opinion, is the worst day to trade because contracts are being called and then or expire, and then you also got low volatility in the afternoons, so it's harder to get those pushes. So I mean, you got resistance around, I don't know, the 2650, around there. 2650. You seem like you got a lot of resistance. 2660. So you got about 50 cents to move. In my opinion, you know, the ATR is $1.30. You got about 60 cents to get there before it start hitting bigger resistance or stronger resistance. So you might get 30 cents out of a move. So in my opinion, I just have better plays. So I wouldn't watch this one.
Yeah.
XPEV is already, it's gapping. I like gappers, so I'm gonna wait about 15 minutes to half an hour to decide to see which direction it's gonna head. If it starts climbing, you know, and it starts filling its gap, then you might get a possible 3 out of it. $2.30. Yeah, $2.30 is the ATR on this thing. If it starts, you know, ripping up, you might it might fill the gap and make it 3. So keep that on watch. If not, you can play the short. You're probably gonna get a bounce up and then fall back down. It's making a mountain pass in the daily. Well, all these plays look the same. All these plays look like they're just bouncing off the bottom of broadening formations, and they're in the middle of the broadening formation. Again, COP, this one, you know, you got major resistance at about, I don't know, 57.50, around there. Yeah, you got some decent resistance there. So same play, it's exactly as Cobb. I mean, you got about 40 cents. No, sorry, you got about 80 cents. Would be your price target for today. You might get if it moves smoothly, you'll probably get, you know, a decent move out of it. But again, I feel like there's better plays.
Yeah.
Mara, we got a Mara. Oh. I just don't. I can see Mara. I just don't like it. So I can see cleaner plays. NEE, same thing. I'm not even gonna bother. But actually, you know,
yeah. So these are the trash ones like COP, NE, Sophie, MMAT. These are like the ones that just you can easily leave go because you know it's 70 cents of
Sophie.
Yeah, I'm looking at the Sophie too, and I'm putting on the short list, but it has 70 cents of the freaking ATR, right? It has just 70 cents.
Yeah, the ATR is not high for sure. Now, you know, it's you know, you're right. The ATR is not high, but it's not gapping, and it's pretty close to yesterday's low.
Yeah, it's on my primary short list. Yeah.
Yeah, so I mean, you might get a nice fall. So what I'm liking today. So there's a few plays that I'm waiting on. So I'm liking Space today because Space has made a 1-2-2 ref strat right on the VWAP, the daily, and if it continues down, you're gonna get a decent drop out of it.
Yeah, it's on my primary short list too.
That's why I like Space.
Yeah.
I also like CCL. I like CCL because if you look at the weekly, you actually have a really nice broadening formation. It's just this is the bounce off the broadening formation for this week. So it just started bouncing off this week, so it has momentum. And the only thing is that if you look, I don't know if you guys use the 200 MA, but the 200 MA on the daily chart is extremely important.
It is.
It's a very strong, you know, moving average. So
true.
if you look 2 days ago, it hit the 200 moving average and just came right back down. So, and yesterday it's priming itself. So it's trying to hold its gains from this week. So today, if it breaks to the breaks yesterday's high, you're gonna get a pop up to at least, in my opinion, to at least the 200 MA.
Mm-hmm.
And if you have enough momentum, you'll break it. But it's Friday, it's hard. But that looks like, for me, that looks like a great play.
Mm-hmm. It's Friday day.
Yeah, exactly. I'm also have Wish on watch as a 2-2
Wish?
continuation. It's gapping down, so you might get a pop up and then a continuation downwards. So that's why I like Wish.
Mm.
I don't mind Wish at all. INTC, I'm not really paying attention to INTC because the gap is too big. Actually, I am, sorry. I'm gonna watch for this gap and see if it can fill it. So I'm gonna wait.
Look at that.
An hour, what's gonna happen? Yeah.
When you got INTC from?
I just have it for my watch list from last week. Yeah. Another one I'm looking at is Neuro for the fall.
Yeah, Neuro. I just got 500 shares reserved for a short. It cost me $5, but 500 shares is in 1 second gonna make me $100. So $5 is like.
Well, I mean, Neuro, to be honest, would probably cost you more than that. But just because it's a demo, they're doing it $5. I'll take it.
No, it's $5, like $1.01 per share.
Yeah.
So $5.
Plays from yesterday. I'm looking at mRNA. It's gapping up. So yesterday it didn't. It couldn't push through. It didn't have a great day yesterday. But it's gapping up, and you're near the highs. You might want to keep that one on watch.
$10. You are
CRM.
$10 above yesterday's freaking close.
Yeah. So, but the MA, what's the 20? Your ATR is $23, but you're dealing with a big stock. I mean, the gap up is 3%. It's $11. It's tough to say what's going to happen with this, but I like to keep this one on watch. CRM, I'm not interested in CRM. I don't think.
No.
I also like Piton for the 2-2 continuation.
Platon.
I like Piton for the fall, for the drop.
Oh yeah. Ooh yeah. It penetrated the 200 moving average. And yeah. It's but I think it's gonna go back and do a goodbye kiss to the MA, then drops. What the fuck just happened to DAS?
Nothing on my end.
I got disconnected. Connected. Alright, so from yesterday I'm keeping Apple. Okay, first of all, I got my list got to CCL, NCLH for long. NCLH I'm a little bit iffy on the long because of the 200 mA. But CCL, Apple and J&J for long, for continuation, especially Apple. But J&J is looks more like a 1-2-2. But I just kept it there to just see what's happening to this. It's not really a play that I'm going to play in, but it's something that I'm going to consider. See, nothing moves. Nothing moves. What's your last price on CCL at the moment?
72.73.
Okay, so I'm connected. All right, 75. All right.
I also have one more play. I have quite a few. I have two continuation for Piton. I have SGOC. I'm still watching that. It's right at the resistance level. It's gonna, if it falls below 911, it's gonna. I feel like it's gonna drop hard, but I don't know. I still have it on watch. I don't know why. I like it.
So if space falls from here, it basically is breaking the moving average, 200 moving average, because it's actually just laying on top of it. 55, 30, 55 is the moving average. You know, I don't like this moving averages crap, but it's just based on perception of other traders, other retail traders, and just looking at what they do. It's not my play. I don't trade off of them.
That's the thing about moving averages is it doesn't matter like what anyone thinks about them. It matters if people use them, and if a lot of traders use them, then they're significant, right? That's the bottom line.
True. That's why I keep it. I mean, I didn't have it until you just mentioned it, because you know my charts are fully naked. So I just wanted to have them for fun. But now I see that I just kept it on the chart to do a daily analysis on what's going on who's who. So.
Snap might be a good one. A lot of eyes on it today with earnings, and it's a big gap up.
Oh, holy moly. Gapped up to like
Who?
all-time highs.
Snap?
Yeah. So there'll be a lot of eyes on Snap.
Holy fuck! What's going on here?
Holy.
Yeah, is it pre-market move? Oh yeah, it is. It's yesterday's.
It's post-market.
Earnings, I guess.
Yeah, it should be earnings.
So looks like there's going to be a lot of eyes on it.
Oh yeah, it's gonna
Rip.
Well, here's the thing. Yesterday, let's take a look at the 1 minute. Yesterday, at the close of yesterday, hold on.
Let me see the push, exactly the push on yesterday's close. The volume is short, but then people started to buy it around 4 something after the release of the news, probably because the release news is at 4. So, and then today it held pre-market. So.
Yeah, I think it's I don't know. I think it's the institutions that bought. I don't know. I don't know who would have bought them, but. Anyways, regardless, there's a lot of, it's held its gains the whole post-market, pre-market. There's no drop.
Yeah, I'm actually thinking about buying it. That was a good call, guys. That was a very good call.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait
Mm.
for.
Yeah, on the 60-minute, it's just breaking.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Exactly.
60, so it's yeah.
I'm just looking for 1 minute to just rip.
Yeah, on the 60. Yeah, it
On 5 minutes, it's
like
it's right there.
it's eventually gonna have to fill this gap eventually.
Yeah,
Not saying
but
it's
when?
gonna do it
Yeah,
today,
exactly.
but I mean, like,
Well, not literally, because this gap is not coming from lack of price. It's coming from trades happening in pre-market and post-market. So, sometimes we have a gap that it opens $50, not $50, $5 higher. It just opens $5 higher, and then people start to buy it and goes high. That $5 is a gap. This one is, personally, I don't consider it is a gap that needs to be filled, because trades happen in this area, right? Trades happen in this area, and people are gonna short it, obviously, in pre-market. Then they have to close it after they got squeezed the crap out of their face. So it's gonna create more buying pressure and more long bullish move. So for me that's a scenario that I see. So for me, I'm willing to just look for a little bit of dip of what's called profit taking, and then buy it to the upside for a big bullish move. Obviously, everyone's looking at it.
what's the float on this thing?
Float. I'm telling you, I'm opening the information of the stock, financial code. Okay, it's Snap. Okay, let's go to Snap. Okay, float. Float is 1.2 billion. Outstanding is 1.5 billion. Short interest is short float is 4.05. It's 4%. It's nothing. And the target price by analysts is 77.
I'll be right back. 1 second.
All right. Sí.
Entonces esperas a que...
Baja porque el gap es muy grande, demasiado grande. Hace un movimiento así, después sube para arriba. Vamos a ver el Nuro. ¿Qué está haciendo Nuro? Una resistencia muy fuerte aquí. Ahora debemos mirar a short el low de ayer. ¿Qué precio tenemos? El low 21, 25. 21, 25. All right.
Bye, I'll see you later.
Apple BTX, Apple J&J. We have Nuro, obviously.
Anyways.
Yeah.
Hey.
Nuro, Sophie, space. Nvidia just destroyed me yesterday, but I mean I had like around $300 something loss on it, but at the end it did what I wanted to do. Exactly textbook classic moves, but I was out already. CCL for long, but 5 cents, not bad. Mara looks like a sweet short. With a target of 23.
Hey guys, I'll call you guys right back.
Mm-hmm. There you go. All right. Have a good one. These are for the long, these are for short. Okay, CCL is moving. There you go, yeah.
Got built on AAPL. Got built on CCL. Got built on CCL.
Okay, J&J for the long. Yep.
Got built on J&J.
Oof, look at CCL.
Got built on CCL.
What happened with Apple? CCL 2 shares? What the fuck?
Got built on CCL.
What's this? Oh, I don't have buying power. Yeah, I don't have buying power. There you go, Apple for long. It's J&J that's taking all of my buying power. Where's the space? Yeah, you see. Oof! Space para short. No tengo buying power. I have no buying power here. It's all in J&J's. Fuck J&J. Move! Move for fuck's sake. Fuck you.
Got built on J&J.
Lost all of the move on space. I'm going to close CCL.
Got built on CCL.
Apple, okay. If Apple rips, I'm gonna put all of the money in the Apple. Neuro. Okay, let me short Neuro. All good, Brent? This is space. I'm waiting for this level to break.
Oh, I thought you left.
No, I'm here. No, I'm here. It's just I decided to.
Oh, I'm just in Snap right now.
Oh,
I got my 2R out of it. So I have
Good.
a little bit left over still. I was
good.
waiting for it to kind of retrace a little bit more, but it just, I don't know, it just
It's
seemed
short.
too strong. So I got back in on the second minute candle. As I broke the body of the first minute candle there, I didn't even wait for the wick.
Right.
How about you? Did you get in on it?
No. I just got an Apple and J&J. It took all of my buying power, and I missed space completely.
Yes. Oh, I was talking about Snap. Did you? get
No.
in on Snap?
I didn't get into Snap.
Space is going up.
No, space was for short. I want this to break to the upside, and then I buy it, and then run it to the upside. Why did you break?
Got built on AAPL.
Apple out.
Got built on AAPL.
I got all out of Snap at R3 here. Not sure what it's
Snap?
gonna do here.
No, it looks like it's gonna go.
Keep going.
Yeah.
Volume's teetering off a bit, but we'll see. Anyways, I made.
I bought it. I bought Snap 100 shares of Snap.
Just now
Yep.
for the second go.
Yeah.
Got built on Snap.
Oh, I got just
on
filled on
Snap.
Snap. I got fill again. Why? I didn't push any buttons.
Okay. Got in or you got?
No, I'm in Snap 200 shares.
So it gave you double.
7. Yeah, I'm 2R in Snap. If it breaks, I'm going to
Yeah,
add.
no, I got too much of a pussy to get in
Yeah.
there a second time right at R3. I'm not sure what it's gonna do around this area.
I'm going to add here.
Got built on AAPL.
I added to Apple. I'm 500 in Apple. 32. Snap doesn't look like gonna go.
Apple.
Snap doesn't look like gonna go.
Got
Yeah,
built
I'm
on
out.
Snap.
Yeah, there'd be a lot of profit taking right now.
Mm-hmm.
And FOMO people, it's gonna be FOMO and profit takers. back.
FOMO, where's gonna be FOMOing?
Yeah.
Got built on Snap.
I got back in again. Snap.
Yeah, it's hard to tell on the L2 right now what's gonna happen.
Hopefully it
Looks
doesn't
pretty-
take me out.
Got built on
Fuck,
Snap.
it took me out.
Well, look, that was like almost a $4 move from the open. So
Yeah. I shouldn't have chased space to the upside now. Space today full retracement. The day is going green.
Got built on AAPL.
Apple out. I did a shitty trade this morning. There are too many things happening. I don't like any of them. CCL destroyed me though.
Got built on CCL.
I got in 3,000 shares on CCL.
Got built on CCL.
shit.
Got
Yeah,
built on
but it's
What,
dropping.
short?
Yeah, short. But it's dropping. Actually 4,000.
Already?
Yeah, actually 4,000 shares on CCL. So,
Are you in it still?
yeah. I'm just hoping for a drop. Hoping, that's a good word. Hopium
What entry?
at 49.
Oh, you just got in.
It's gonna do some little shit here and then it's gonna drop. unless it does this.
Got filled on CCL.
I can't
Well, it's
believe it.
still an inside bar on the daily,
Yeah.
so I was surprised that you took it short. You're anticipating
Got
the
filled
break
on
of the
CCL.
Yeah.
yesterday.
Yeah, I considered that one. I shorted after it happened.
Hmm.
Okay, I'm in
Got
again.
filled on CCL.
And I will go out at 2021, which is the low of yesterday. I'm 4,400 shares in. It's a shitty day for
Rather.
trading though. It's a shitty day to trade. Apple is going to the upside again. Yeah, I might buy it.
Got filled on
It's
AAPL.
like
Yeah.
people are shorting INTC, dropping right now.
Okay, let's see. CCL I might get out because of the.
Look at that drop in INTC.
I didn't get anything off of it. I was just too. Oh my god! Look at this. This is a drop.
Snap doing. Oh, Snap. No, it's finding value now, so it might establish value around here and keep going up.
No, it doesn't look like you're gonna run, but. So CCL is dropping, and with the
Yes,
drop on
that's-
CCL, there you go. Yeah, there you go. This is what I needed. I got in at 51. So
Got filled on
Andrew just got
AAPL.
back in on Snap, or is he just taking profit still? I don't know.
yeah, Apple. What happened with Apple? Okay, Apple short again.
Got filled on AAPL. Got filled on AAPL.
Okay, I'm 52 shares in Apple short. CCL, I'm looking for a short, but it doesn't want to
Got
give.
filled on AAPL. Got filled on CCL.
Yeah, both out. Look at space.
Got filled on SPC.
Let's see, Neuro. Neuro is not doing anything. What it gonna drop? When it drops, it will drop.
Got filled on CCL. Got filled on CCL.
I'm 4,000 back in 4,200 in CCL.
Got filled on CCL. Got filled on CCL. Got filled
Oh,
on
come
CCL.
on.
Got
Are we
filled on
playing?
CCL.
Is she doing her own stocks, or
Who?
are you guys kind of doing it together? Ali.
No, Ali is observing, spectating.
Oh, spectator taking notes.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, here is a risky area, but if it drops, they're gonna be a drop. This has to go in one direction. Space also for the break. There you go.
PCL, I wouldn't take short until it got to yesterday's low, anyways. Because who knows what's going to happen there.
Yeah. But you know me.
But you're a risky guy.
Yeah.
Risky guy.
Got filled on CCL.
Okay, CCL, I'm going to add 2,000 shares on the breakout. Huh?
I think Sam needs to start concentrating on the open, so when it
Yeah.
drops off.
Well, I'm not. I decided to reduce my influence, and
Got filled on SPC. CC.
and let you guys do your own thing and let to have less commentary. So
No, I don't. I just take in what I think is good, but I still filter my stuff too, right?
mhm.
It's sometimes helpful, sometimes not, maybe.
Sometimes annoying guy whispering 2 hours behind your ear.
Got built on
Oh,
AAPL.
sure. No. And just snap here.
Neuro is not going yet. I have 500 shares reserved for this thing.
Yeah, I missed out on $1 on Snap. Getting out R3-ish.
Okay, CCL now is going back up. But I got no buying power though. I'm closing my Apple. Close out my. What? Maybe it runs. It doesn't look
Got
like it's
built
gonna.
on AAPL.
CCL. We are looking at 212 continuation here.
Got built on CCL.
Space, I'm 3,200 shares in.
Got built on
And I'm out.
Alright, I just switched over to space. Are you playing the
I
lost?
went for the continuation, 2-2 continuation, but it didn't work out.
You went long. Oh no.
If it comes back down now, and if it starts to break the anything less than, okay,
Got built on CCL.
CCL out. Okay, CCL doesn't want to go, so I'm going to just J&J didn't do shit. CCL. Let's see, Apple. That's J&J. Apple doesn't do shit. It didn't move around VWAP.
Got built on AAPL.
I'm anticipating the break of the
Got built on
HOG.
AAPL. Got built on AAPL.
Yeah, we're at space is at some resistance here.
Yeah.
These couple days lows.
Yeah.
Could just be doing an ABC here and gaining some.
Strength to go back up.
momentum.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's not a lot of volume on the way back down right now, so could be just. Are you still in it? Or are you out?
No, space. I'm out. I'm in Apple now.
Yeah, so it's at yesterday's close.
Yes, they close. I might short it if it breaks. If it managed to break, the.
Looks like it's here though. On
Huh?
yesterday's close, so it might get support here.
Yeah, but I'm more looking at the.
That's 3 cut. No, 3 cut is on yesterday's close. On the low volume, so it might go back up.
I'm really not liking today's market. I'm already 6R in loss.
YOLO.
If like one of these moves, instead of chopping around, if one of these moves goes, I'm good. Like J&J took me out, and now it's ripping.
If you're doing a few thousand shares, is your risk still like 150?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Depends on the price of the stock. Like if it's a $15 stock, it's $3 stock. I keep it with the 150. But if the stock is bigger, like Apple, I got in with 3R.
Yeah.
It's just money management. Well, it translates to risk management, but more of money management.
Okay, so now space cracked. Yesterday's closed a little bit, so
Yeah, I'm looking for it. Okay, Apple out. So I'm looking now. I'm going to look at space to short it. Okay.
large bids at 3060 on space here.
Like I got in with 500 shares, and I have 2,000 capacity for 2,000 more shares, and I will short it the moment that it starts to crack. So it doesn't let me. We go 2,500 shares. Sure.
Got built on SPC.
I'm 3,000 shares in space short. 362. 362. If it cracks, I'm looking into 40. It translates to 600 profit. J&J is running now. Bastard. No, it was a shitty. It's just the price is high. It didn't move, and it took all of my energy. That is all my buying power today. I really don't like this move. It doesn't crack. It should drop.
Got built on SPC.
Apple took me out, and now it's ripping.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. If it fails to make a new low, there you go. Esta. Okay. It can drop more. Look at space. Red.
Oh, it's just still keeping an eye on Snap here.
Yeah. Your boy is in it.
Got built on SPC.
Your boy is in it with.
Yeah, there's that huge bid at 3060. So
I just got out.
Yep.
I'm out with. I just got out. All out. 559 realized. Net 155. How about that?
Got built on AAPL.
And I just got in Apple.
you just got green on space.
Yeah, I just made all of the lost money back. I just fully got out because the 30.45 was my resistance and support. Sorry, previous resistance, and I just got all out at that price. Then I got in Apple on the break of pre-market, and it's ripping now. 625 shares in Apple. Oh, don't come back down, bro. Oh, come on. It's a shitty day. CCL for short.
on CCL.
Yeah. If it wants to come back to touch the previous low, I will get up. I'm behind it. So if it comes higher, I will get up. It's like 3 cents. 3 cents is nothing. But we are safe. Let's see if it breaks. If it cracks, then we have a drop. If not, we gotta get up. You get up, you get up, and then this happened. CCL, I got up, and this happened. That's why I use tight stuff. Look how many times I got and get up. This is a break. Apple gonna CCL gonna crack. If not, I will get up. 7. This is it. Just like that. This is pre-market low. Fucking, it's like I'm living on a highway. But who will understand that? For fuck's sake, I'm living next to a hospital, which supposedly should be quiet.
A hospital? Would
Yeah.
there be sirens all the time?
No, ambulances had to turn off their siren 3 blocks from here.
Do they?
That's a good question. That was a very deep and painful question to ask, man.
Oh, sorry for putting you through all that pain.
Yeah, it's even worse than going through the everyday noise. It's gonna crack. It's gonna get me out. I don't know, 800 shares into CCL.
Got built on CCL.
How's the dogs at night?
Yeah, there is some shit, but not like previous time. And okay, CCL is gonna crack again. Not like the previous house. Oh, Neuro is dropping. Okay, Neuro, I'm going to short it. It's not as bad as before.
Any shorts for Neuro? You do, or you
I
through that
I
buy?
got I got reserve. What's called? I located some shorts.
Oh, right. So you have to pay for that.
Yeah.
Even in Sim.
Yeah. Okay, it cracked.
Got built on NURO.
Okay, it may do some move here. I don't know what. Maybe go back up.
It's 21. Gonna get down there. It's gonna go.
Yeah, it's gonna drop.
He's gonna blow.
Yeah, hopefully.
When are you in?
Yeah,
What's your entry?
at
What's
13.
your entry?
13.
22.13
No, 21.13.
on Neuro.
Neuro, yeah.
Oh, so what's your stop loss then?
Well, my stop loss is 22.02.
Okay. You playing the 9 moving average on the 1 minute?
No, I'm playing 2-2 rev on 5 minutes and the break of LOD.
On the 1 minute 9 moving average, it looks like it's respecting it right around your stop. Or just below 22.03. Oh, 20. Just popped up.
It's SSR. See, this is low of the transactions are a little bit volatile, but it's gonna drop. I'm gonna drop huge. Look, this is accumulation. It's a range, but it's accumulation. It's $3 range, but it's accumulation. So I need to be patient with it. Like even to 22.50, still is a safe place to look at. but then I don't have, I cannot resist until then, you know.
That spread is so ugly on Euro. What?
It is,
did you
yeah,
get?
it is, it is. It's like 20 cents to $1.
I see anywhere from like 5 cents to 40 some right now, but I never saw $1 yet.
No, I saw on previous, you know, the previous low, when it touched the previous low, the spread was wide $1. From 20 to 21.25 to 22.25.
Imagine taking like 2,000 shares with $1 spread. It's kind of
Yeah, I can imagine. I've done it the last couple of days.
I'd never put my real cash through that torture.
Well, it depends on how much cash you have. If you have 500,000, or if you have even not 100. If you have anything over 200,000, that's 0.5% of your account. So that's not much. But then you have to look at your
even
stock.
if I have half an account, I doubt that I would.
Yeah, it depends on what type of trader are you. Like 30 cents right now, the spread is 30 cents. It depends on what type of trader are you. You know.
Exactly what kind of risk you're willing to put it through.
Okay, J&J now is moving. It's trash. I fucking hate these stocks. Let me get 500 more shares of this thing. Short locate. Neuro 500. Inquire 500 order. There you go. This is a drop. Look, there's an empty space underneath. This is a drop. Like this. Okay, I'm 1,000 shares in Neuro 31 at 21.31.
I love those one and done days.
Yeah. Okay, now you're talking. It could bounce from here, but if not, I'm looking to 18 to drive it to 18. It's gonna drop.
Okay, I'm gonna drop off here for a little bit myself here.
All right. You have a good one.
So, good luck, you too.
Yeah,
Post
thanks.
some of your better trades.
Yeah, from yesterday and today I will post all of them. Yeah.
Yeah.
Have a good one, man.
Hey, I looked on your YouTube channel and you don't have any videos up.
Of course I do. Check
I
now.
don't see them.
It takes some time
I
to
didn't see
process. Yeah, yesterday it posted midnight. It takes some time so it being posted. It doesn't pop up
I saw
instantly.
one yesterday, and then all of a sudden I went back in the afternoon and it was gone.
Yeah, because it's being processed. It's gonna crack.
The one that you already posted? Oh, okay, there's a few now.
Yeah, it's automatic. I don't do anything.
All right.
Yeah.
Hey, you have one person watching you live. Is that me?
Yeah, we are live now.
There's one person watching you live, buddy.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, take care. Have a good one. Yeah. Bye. Okay, let's see what happens now. So this, I'm pretty sure this is gonna crack now. I just need to. We just need to be patient so it happens. Maybe it just does some more, but it's so kind of volatile. Be volatile when it drops. See, it's holding.
Mm.
Someone is holding, so it just enough to so it cracks. It's gonna crack now. It's gonna crack now. Euro. So this is the price of yesterday low. Lots of stuff might happen at this price, but the drop is imminent. Okay. We have a 2-2 rev continuation. Yeah, there you go. This is it. It's approaching. Look at the small prices. Okay, 10, 11, we went 10, 10, 90, 11, 10, 11, 2. There you go, that's a crack. See, I look at the price here all the time. I have an eye on the price. It will rip.
Got filled on NURO.
Big loss. Can you believe that? From 300 to minus 100 something. Okay, no problem. You wanna go up, we go up. We go long, no problem. But depends on what it wants to do. There is a little bit of resistance here. Depends on what it wants to do down here. Look at CCL. Fucking trash. Unbelievable. Sophie just cracked. LOD. Let's see where it closes. This doesn't look like much of a short. Maybe I even go long on this. No, I really don't know. So we have 1 hour. We just open. It's gonna go back up a little bit. Okay, Apple, the first 2-2. Like here. I took this one. I took this one. This is another one. Okay, Neuro, it looks like it's coming back down. Left flipper 1000 short. It's gonna.
Got filled on NURO.
Okay, let's see. It's 1000 is 1 cent. There's 10 cents of spread at the moment. There you go, that's a crack. Break it. This is holding. 19. So from 2 we went down to 19.15. It's gonna break. But if it doesn't, it's gonna volatile. We aggressively go back. There you go. It's gonna crack heavy. Just like that. I'm looking at 20. Okay. I'm looking at 20, the crack of 20. just get there if he wants to. If it cracks, it's gonna crack. So we are, look at this, 89, 75 is a crack. 74, 71. My profit says that what's going on, but I'm not looking for 5 cents or whatever. I just want $1 out of it. I didn't get out of it. See, it's trying to get out of it. The spread. See, this is how the spread keeps.
Got filled on NURO.
That's why I'm looking to short it again. Look at the space. Fucking shit.
Got filled on SPCE.
That was really cool. Sí, de los dos lados.
Sí.
Mira, baja, sube, baja, sube, baja. Ese va a romper más tarde. Puede ser que va a tocar el tarde día. Okay, let's see, this is low of the, if it goes back inside the, no, I put aside. Look at this, oh my fucking, how I missed this. How did I miss this? Crown, remember?
Sí.
Ahora debemos pensar que sube arriba, probablemente sale de esa área y baja. En este punto yo estoy interesado a venderlo. Si no, voy a 300 más cuando rompe.
Got filled on SPCE.
I'm looking for the break of LOD. Come on. Ahora tiene volumen. Tenemos uno, es el segundo. Es que este es the pop volume. buff it. But if it doesn't, we just get out. Oh, come on. It's gonna crack. Neuro. Neuro. Neuro is a break. Short.
Got filled on NURO.
Babe? Yeah? Langosta.
Okay, good. Thank
Bye.
you.
Love you, bye. Okay, let's see space. Okay, space locking profit. Okay, space locking profit. Neuro. Crack, bro. Crack. Yeah. 20, 25, 05, but 05 hitting 04, 4.5, 8.5. There you go. It's gonna crack, like, there you go. This is what I want. A pull back and then drop. Like plan.
Got filled on NURO.
Oh my god, now it's gonna do the move. Now it's gonna break. See, it's gonna go back, as I said, it's gonna go up and then track. I'm not going to touch it anymore. We are in one trade, and that trade, if it works.
Got filled on SPCE.
Look at Neuro. Look at the move that's doing now. It doesn't want to crack. Apple has an opportunity though. Yes, oh, we are late. But it's okay. It's okay, let's see if it breaks it. It totally depends if it cracks the HOD. I'm not liking this. Before pre-market, it didn't crack, but now it's pushing. If it closes above, then I go in. This is a very good volume though. Look at that. It's above. If it closes above. If we look at a 1 minute, we have a 2-1-2 continuation. Okay, I'm talking about 2-1-2 bullish continuation. Right corner up. The right corner up. Okay, 16, 15. Three, two, one. There you
Got
go.
filled on AAPL.
So we just sit right below, and our magnitude is well, 19 cents higher apparently. I don't know why the fuck is that. Oh, it's a previous high. It's previous high. No, I'm not gonna get out here. Our magnitude gonna be minimum 40, 50. 50, yeah. I'm gonna lock in profit, but I mean, if it survives this drawback, it doesn't look like it gonna. Doesn't look like it gonna.
Got filled on AAPL. Got filled on AAPL. Got filled on AAPL. Got filled on
775
AAPL.
short.
Got filled on AAPL. Got filled on AAPL.
775.
Got filled on
755.
AAPL.
If it becomes a red candle on 5 minutes, oh 02, 05. No, actually, this low is lower than this. A strong sign of reversal. If we go back up, then we go in again. Long. I don't think so. Maybe I'm wrong.
Got filled on AAPL. 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 Got filled on AAPL.
What's this? Realize. It doesn't have a pure move for itself. It's following the SPY most probably. Wow. That's a long. First green.
Got filled on AAPL. Got filled on AAPL. Got filled on AAPL. Got filled on A.
Let's see. Oh boy. It's gonna drop heavy. So what was the loss on this one? 92, 60, 40, 190. We need at least 20 cents to here. To get the money back. Oh, Nuro, look at Nuro. Ahora. Do I have buying power? Nope. It's gonna drop. This is gonna drop. Are you serious, bro? See, I said my target is 20. Sophie is dropping too. No, but I don't trust this. This can violently go back up. It's too late now. This doesn't work for me now anymore. This is not my trading style. I'm looking for this trash. Look at space. No, I don't know where it's gonna go. I cannot trust it. Not at all. But on the other hand, I'm pretty sure Apple gonna move. Apple doesn't stay like this. Like Apple doesn't stay short like this. When you have one day like this, but I don't know. Gap down heavy. Let me see what SPY is doing. Yeah, I could say. It's one of those days that it's gonna take a direction later during the day, not early in the morning. Looks like a short. This is so look like a short. Even though it does some move, it looks like a short. what I've been trying to do. If it drops, I'm looking at the pre-market. Oh no, days goes red. No. 10 cents. No, I haven't got in here. The volume dropped, but who knows? Look at this. It may rip back up. It's a rip, it's a breaker. We're at 95, 86, 7, 8, 9, 8, 6, 7, 5 and a half. Looking at this number, there are no big trades happening, just lots of small traders. Look at Nuro. Look at the fucking Nuro. Shorted here, got out, shorted here, got out, shorted here, got out. Oh, look at this. All based on 2-2 rev. 2-2, no, yeah, 2-2 bearish, 2-2 bearish. Actually, it's a 2-1-2. It's a 2-1-2 because it didn't break the top of high 67.75. Well, apparently broke. It's a 2-2 rev then. Looking at 19. I got a 79. When you look at 19, this 40 cents. $280. Okay, so now we have a big trade happening at 88. 86. There you go. There you go. And got my target. 89, 89 was my target. The line is there because it's my target. Okay, I'm happy that if Apple takes this break and goes, are we okay? 79 and 95 ahead of 148. This is always, breakout happens before, right? Breakouts happen before, and now breakout of 47 is accumulation of all of this volume. Yeah, gonna rip. So I set an alert here, so when it takes the HOD out, you will be alerted. Euro. At least I wanted to short it here. It would give me 70 cents, but 70 cents at 1,000 is 700. But okay, Apple broke HOD. I'm paying, can you believe I'm paying $700 of commission?
For the shorts.
For the short. Shorts the Nuro. Each time I'm paying $5? No. $5. Each time that I'm touching it, I'm paying $5 of the commission. Okay, so, and if you look at the volume, if you look at the volume that I have, it would be, look at this, shares, 63,000 multiplied by half, it's what we just said. Okay. It's gonna come back down and do a little play here because it's being rejected. The high is being rejected. It depends on this candle. If it goes, it will go. If it comes back down, everyone's gonna sell, and then we're gonna rip back. So we have a 2-2 rev here, 2 down, 2 up. It was a 2-1-2 bullish continuation. Then we have a failed 1-2, which became a 2-2 reversal. Always the failed ones, they have more potential to go. Always. So 06. Actually, the target must be at 46. The target must be at 46. Ahead of 50. It's a break. 2-1-2. Do you see? I'm considering this. So I will sit here. As soon as it just hit this one, I will get out. I don't care, because it will become one of these.
Sí.
Okay, so 120. Pamal. Nuro reached my target. I was not there. Sophie is not doing anything. Space is doing nasty move. Let's see what Space is doing. Okay, Space got to the target. This was the target. Okay, LOD was rejected. So it's very possible that now, because the retail traders are attacking this, they go back to VWAP. I'm not using VWAP, but you need to know about the indicators, which is your next lesson, by the way. To get to this line. If this line is a VWAP, the line of the volume, an average price that uses volume. Look how it's a dome, and the price is going back up. So it's a reversal of this, because this one, look here, volume increased, but now it's decreasing again. So and the rise of Apple, lots of them might go. I'm looking for this one to go too. It's struggling, but I don't know. Maybe. Which I'm biased for the long side. It looks more like it's gonna rip at the last 10 seconds. If it doesn't, I gotta get out. It's not a good long. Break, it can continue. Become a Momo. It can become a Momo doji. Especially if it closes a blue, the next one gonna rip. It's just a little bit of profit taking at this point. Make it happen. I'm happy with where I closed it. Ah, there you go. It's a drop. It was a drop back. Nuro, now if this one happened, Nuro becomes a good short, because if Apple drops, it drags all of these stocks that they don't have individual moves, and they don't move because they have catalysts. They move up. But we'll see about it. Neuro. Let's see Neuro.
Pero es un poco lento hoy, ¿no?
See Friday.
Ah,
It's Friday. Accumulation, huh? Accumulation. But this long it will not stay like this. Look at the volume any other day. Just range. I'm looking for a move up, fake everyone out, then drop. Look at the behavior of the price with VWAP during the week, during yesterday. Look at it. The moment that it touched VWAP, look what it did. So there's a high possibility that the price wants to get to that level, but you never know. But I'm pretty sure that it needs to come back now. So it looks like it's gonna go back down again. I haven't checked Sophie today much. It did the move, yeah? No? That's about it. Touched and dropped. I was stuck in this trash. And then I lost space. This is my move. Also square. We're talking about square. No. Snap. There you go. This looks like a good short.
vamos a ver.
Sí, sí. Just made 120 on Snap.
¿Sí?
This one. I like the volume increase in this one, and then when the moment that it passed, I shorted it, and then as soon as it went back, I closed it. It looks like it's more of a upper trend. I don't like the please. Okay, so yeah, that's about it for me. I might stop trading. Let me see what was the situation when the first big I started to go after Apple, like here, export. Position is trade report 23. Export. Position report 23. And here we have the
Tengo que hacerme el nombre.
mm-hmm. But let me silent the microphone. Alright, so it doesn't look like I'm going to do much today, and that would be about it. Just let me check. Trade report before starting to go nuts about Apple. See Apple. Space here. That's right. Okay. All good?
Right.
Okay. Trades. Choose file. 20. Trade report. Upload. Refresh status. 70 trades. God damn. Okay. Let's see, what did I do today? 960. Trade view. Journal view. Today. How much commissions did I pay? Good space. I want to short Sophie too from here. Okay. Let's see how much commissions did I pay today. Okay. So pure, if you want to consider net, it's 1,000 today, but net, no. I should consider net. Aggravated. This is today's, yeah, 900. But after, this is gross. Then look at Apple. That's why I tried to short it here. %, volume 55,900. It doesn't show me per trade. Oh, I should go here. I should go here at the bottom. Then it says the trades view. It says that commission. There was a net. Oh, it doesn't let me see net. But anyway, it's okay. I can calculate this personally one by one. Anyhow, so this is just again one of those days. I want to see what happens, because in reality, it's not a good day. It's the same 170 that it was at 9:40, 9:50, and it all happened because of the. J&J. It was a mistake. I made that mistake to select J&J. And I'm holding myself accountable. It really doesn't matter what I do. Let me get some. How much more? 4,000. Let me get 4,000 shares. Allocate 4,000. What's that? Euro. I will add 4,000. 4,000. Acquire. 4,000. Locate. Maybe I'll go with 1,000. 2,000. 20. There you go. So I have 2,000. Let me short 2,000. Here, up here. Limit, short, go. So 3,000 shares short at 73. The spread is 74.82 is 8 cents spread. Well, let's see. Okay. So we have all saved. How much did we make? It's just so annoying. Oh, it's here. It is 55 to 270 multiply. No, I paid more. More like it. No, at 900 I was, look at this. At 900 I am at 929 minus 169. I'm 760 commission. This is a bad day, and it's all because of the this Neuro and Apple. Look how many times I tried Apple. Each of these is 600, 700. Each of these, and like this one that it ripped. Basically, it's 730. You go again. I added 62 to my 500 something. This is 600 again. I'm closing with some. Here I'm closing with the whole thing. 700 shares. Here this trade again 700. Each time 700. It's gonna be a whole buttload of commission. Anyway.
Pero las comisiones para long son diferentes que para short.
Sí. Pero además hay costos. Recuérdate, you remember we talked about costs?
Por cada operación.
Look at here, like I'm paying $176 for just costs of ECN, okay? I'm paying $4 for whatever. Then I'm paying, this is here, the updated number is here. Look at this, 69.44 multiply 700 something plus 176 is 500. Oh, sorry. So that's one way. So for each 1,000 shares, I pay $5. When I sell them, I pay another 5. So it's 10. So when you go, that's 69444 multiplied by is this one 600 plus 176 minus 929 50. There's something doesn't add up. There is some way that this thing is calculating this whole thing, which I don't understand it, but it is how it calculates. So I let it be what it is. So it just jumped from. Is it halted? Is Neuro halted? No. No. Oh. Ouch. Already. Ouch. It's forming a crown. So it may come down here after it forces up because, you see the up crown?
Mm-hmm.
So it's gonna come upper here. That's how I pick up my stops. Well, it's just, obviously I'm never gonna short go 1,100 in negative. It's one of those days again just to see what's going on. I have already exported all of my trades and my finalized profit and loss for the day is $170, $74. That's it. It's just to have fun. Look at this. This is exactly how you see it. And I'm gonna do some moves around here and then drop. Just gonna touch on this and then gonna drop. Of course, $2, $1.20 in negative. No, never. I don't give that much. But anyhow, so this was the trade of the today. That's how I did it. Obviously, you saw that J&J And you saw I let them choose pick up stock and sitting back and just watch. So entonces, so from CCL initial move, I got into early long, and I got out quick. Although this was like 100 shares, then I shorted this, and I got. Although the mistake here was that I should have let this to stand behind the thing I was thinking about around here, but I should have stood behind the close of yesterday. Then you can see here a whole bunch of shit happened here in anticipation of long here because I was considering long. It happened. Obviously, in these cases when it gets rejected again, need to reshort.
Ay, espera, se me olvidó otra cosa.
Okay.
No te molesta.
No. Actually, recap. I want to do a recap in English. Alright, so guys, on a live stream, that's about today. And we talk tomorrow. Have a good day and bye.